This is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your Potomac Beads Best Bead Box for November 2022, and it's called the Northern Lights Best Bead Box. So for those of you who aren't familiar with this is a bead subscription that Potomac Beads offers on their website monthly. You can get a subscription for monthly, you can get quarterly, etc. 6 months, a year, and the longer your subscription, the better the discount you get on it. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description box below the video directly to the page, and you can check it out and see what you think. You can look at all the pricing, you can look at all the the subscriptions, etc. But we're going to open this Best Bead Box today. They have a Best Bead Box XL, which is like this one. I know I always say on steroids. I don't review that one, but you can check that one out as well. So let's get a look at what's in this box. Okay, I've taken everything out of the box, and you get your pattern and then all the beads to make that particular pattern. Here is and then you get the beads for your stash. And here is the little inspiration paragraph. So Northern Lights, Best Bead Box, beautiful dancing waves of light that captivate the imagination. Create delightful crystal drop earrings, and they're so pretty, that encapsulate the elusive wonder of the Northern Lights. So here, this is our list right here. So here is the project. Here are the beads for the stash. I'm going to put those aside for now, and we'll get a look at the beads for the project. So let's look at the project first. It's the Aurora Seed Bead Bezel, and you're going to make an earring out of it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to make this. This is so pretty. It's a little more involved pattern, but I've looked through the whole thing and played with it a little bit, and it's really very straightforward, and the instructions are great. And here's the artist, Anna Taylor. So here you go. Let's take a look at the beads for this project. Okay, first up, we have these perfect form drops. They are 99.9% silver plated, and it's premium silver plated, 25 by 17 millimeters. So it's a frame for your earring. So here is the earring, and this is the frame you're going to use for it. Love beading around frames, so this is going to be fun to make. And then next up we have some cushion cuts, and these are 12 millimeter. Hello. Look how gorgeous that is. And I don't think I have a color on this one, so I'm going to have to, you'll have to look on the website and see, if you want to buy it separately, let's say, see if this color is available. Look how nice the quality is. I'm telling you that all the non-Swarovski crystals, fancy stones, have really upped their game, and they're beautiful. See if I can get a little more light on the subject. Look at that sparkle. It's gorgeous. Next up, we have some Miyuki 15-0s, and I won't take them out so I don't get them all over the place, but you have a, this looks like a, let's see, it's a galvanized gold, so that's a really pretty gold seed bead. But you could make these in silver and they'd be gorgeous. And then we have some ear wire. Simple ball, 20 by 10.5 millimeter, 21 gauge. And you get two pairs, so you get a silver pair and a gold pair, so you can, if you're a silver person or a gold person, and you get even the little bead, the stopper, earring stopper, the rubber earring stopper. I love those. And you've got some wire guardians there as well. So here's everything to make your project, and not many materials, but you come out with such, look at that. That's so pretty. You come out with such a pretty earring. All right, let's move on to beads for your stash. Start looking at the beads for your stash and the goodies. So lever back ear wires with crystal setting in SS24, that's a 5.4 millimeter. And the lever backs are 18 millimeters, so really pretty. Premium 99.9% silver plating. You get a pack of 4, so here you have a little space for your SS24, which I bet might be coming up. I haven't looked in the box yet, so I am not sure if they're in here. We'll see. Oh, here we go. Potomac Crystal Chatons, SS24. So here you go. Here are your chatons to go in your setting. So let's see, can we just pop one through the top real quick? Okay, and then you're going to, isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. These are gorgeous. These are, do they have a color on them? They probably do. I'll look at the bag in a minute, but that's a gorgeous, gorgeous, deep blue. Very pretty. So here are your chatons. You get quite a few of them. And let me see. Montana. That's a deep, deep Montana. That's pretty. Okay, next up we have these twisted barrel screw clasps. These are 10 by 3.6 millimeter. You get a pack of 5. I used to use these all the time. And these, again, are their premium silver. Okay, next up we have some eye pins, and these are 2-inch eye pins, 21 gauge, and they're the premium silver plated, pack of 36. I won't take them out, but always appreciate some nice silver eye pins. Look at all the pretty silver going on here. I just love it. So pretty. Okay, next up we have some Potomac crystal bicones in tanzanite, 4 millimeter. Gorgeous. I love that color. Isn't that beautiful? And the quality, I'm telling you, they are just beautiful. Really beautiful. Nice edges. If I look at the edges, they don't look sharp. I've used them many times already. That's a beautiful purple color. Really nice. How many did you get here? Does it say? No, but there are quite a few in there. Next up we have some Czech melon drop beads, and I love these. I love any drop bead, and I love it especially, I don't know, I love it any time of year. I was going to say around the holidays, but no, I love that. This is gorgeous for summer. Interested just putting those on a head pin and just having a summer earring, or, you know, add some beads around it. Really pretty. These are 13 by 18 millimeter. Gorgeous with that gold wash on them. Okay, next up we have these really pretty Potomac crystal cosmic rings. And these are 14 millimeter. Hello, look at that sparkle. Aren't they pretty? That's beautiful. Love that, all the different colors in there. Okay, next up we have some Miyuki drops, and I love a Miyuki drop. These are matte black AB, and I think these are 3.4 millimeter. Yes, they are. And look at the color on those. I love the matte black AB. It's like a rainbow. Isn't that gorgeous? Love. Last but not least, Potomac crystal round beads, metallic blue iris, 2 millimeter round crystals. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. I can't get enough sparkle any time of the year, right? I know, it's absolutely beautiful. All right, so we'll finish up right here. So here's everything. Here's your gorgeous pattern. Here, look at these gorgeous 12 millimeter cushion cuts. I have a little coupon code for you that I'll link in the description box below the video, Bronzepony 10. I'll try to put it somewhere on the screen as well. Don't forget to use the link down below and check out, check it out. See if it's right for you. See what you think. You can look at past boxes. You can look at design ideas, etc. I'll put a link to Potomac Beads website in the description box below the video, and I'll your YouTube channel link in there as well. All right, so take care, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.